There, to kind of answer and give some insights around electrolytes, though, there's absolutely a relationship between TRT and magnesium. TRT will deplete magnesium at a faster rate because testosterone depletes magnesium as part of its metabolism cycle. So the higher your testosterone is, the higher your requirement for magnesium. I think that the higher your testosterone is, the higher your requirements for a lot of nutrients are. And I think it's very important that if a man wants to optimize and increase his testosterone up to the healthiest physiological level he could possibly have, he also needs to provide himself with the best quality nutrition and fuel across a broad range of micronutrients. So I would be looking at all electrolytes. There are some great trace mineral supplements that you can get, but I think that particularly if someone's predisposed to anxiety and they train a lot, I would look at magnesium before looking at other things because a lot of people I don't think the argument that everyone's deficient in magnesium is evidence based. I think that that's very good marketing from people who sell magnesium, but I do think that if someone is looking to supplement with electrolytes, I think on TRT, especially if they train a lot, magnesium's a good place to start. Glycinate or biglycinate's the best option because it's the most tolerated in higher doses, and a lot of guys do get maximal benefits from magnesium glycinate at higher doses than 400 milligrams a day, sometimes looking at 3 to 500 milligrams twice a day. But if they use other forms like citrate, that will result in a laxative effect. Magnesium citrate make you shit. So it's important to use magnesium glycinate if we're going to be pushing the dose up more than 400 milligrams a day.